How to fix Instagram message notification not showing up. Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the issue that the message notification is not showing up on your Instagram account. Just follow the steps that I am going to show on the screen. But before that, please click the subscribe button for more other tutorial videos like this. Without further ado, let's get started. First, check if your notifications are enabled both in the app and on your phone's settings. So open your Instagram account. Go to your profile page by clicking the icon at the lower right corner. Now tap the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, then press the settings. From here, click notifications. In here, make sure that this pause all feature is disabled. As you can see on my screen, it is disabled. Then next, click the messages and calls. Make sure that everything is clicked on, from the message requests, messages, message reminders, video calls, and rooms. Now, we can go to the settings of our phone, then check that the Instagram notifications are enabled. So go to settings, then scroll down and click apps. In here, we are going to search Instagram, then click it. Next is click on notification. Make sure that this feature saying show notifications is enabled. After that, click notification categories. In here, make sure that all of the features are enabled. Then after that, if turning on your notifications didn't work, the next thing we can do is look for an update of the application. So we have to go to the Google Play Store. Then search for Instagram. Now, if the button to the right says open, it means that the application is up to date. If this step still didn't work, the next thing we can do is clear the cache of the app. So we have to go back to the settings, then scroll up again, and we have to search Instagram. Then in here, we have to click storage. Then we have to click clear cache button. So that's it for our tutorial video. If I help you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you very much and have a good day.